The proposed changes to the Metro Land Development Code would restrict or ban data centers based on their size and location.
They would also require evidence that developers would bear all energy and construction costs. But residents insist the process remain transparent.
Norman Seawright attended tonight's public hearing. Norman, what happens now?
Well, Vicki, now the Planning Commission takes all the testimony that they've gathered and then they decide on a recommendation to make. But the residents I talked to tonight say they really just want to be able to trust this process.
That may be the commission. That don't make you de facto on their side. You're supposed to be looking at both sides of the fence.
While some don't trust that Metro government has the citizens' best interest at heart, others hope the Planning Commission, at the very least, consults experts when making their decision.
I would also heavily want to see that they listen to the scientists and the researchers who have heavily studied this.
As people have come up and provided their testimony, then they've kind of made notes about what have been some of the common themes.
The hearing at the Kentucky Center for African American Heritage drew a passionate crowd to the Russell neighborhood, inside and outside. The most common theme, lack of trust.
We want a one-year moratorium at a bare minimum and time to research, and then also we want them to bring their own power. We want the buffer zone much larger than it is. 500 square feet is nothing.
West Louisville residents are already alarmed by the Campground Road data center project in Rubbertown.
To express the gravity of the concentration of troublesome industries. You know, it's bad enough.
Additional pollution in a very volatile area because they make some very caustic chemicals over there. All they need is one mistake. And this city will be paying for it for decades.
And what they say they need from this process is transparency.
I think we need to get a objective independent board to come in, research. We also need to have community members, especially of those that's from impacted communities.
So the commission meets on this topic again on August 20th at 1 p.m. at the old jail auditorium. And at that meeting, they will make recommendations that either Metro Council adopt this as is or adopt it with some amendments, or they'll send it back to the planning office for more work. Live tonight, Norman Seawright, WOKY.